So hey guys, and welcome back to my another video. And I thought that in today's video I will defeat the Ender Dragon, but guys, I have a lot of explaining to do. So basically I said that if I had the eyes of Ender, then I would have defeated the Ender Dragon till now, but the cleric actually traded ender pearls with me, not eyes of ender. So yeah, that's why I needed to go off camera and kill some more blazes so that I can get eyes of ender, as you can see. So we will defeat the ender dragon in next episode. Now you might be wondering why next to next episode. First, because I do not want to skip the I do not want the dragon fight to go in fast forward or anything, and I do not also want my video to be very long. So in today's video I'm going to prepare for the dragon fight, and in the next episode we will find the stronghold, and then in the 7th episode I think sorry 6th episode I think we will defeat the ender dragon. So yeah, this should be fun. So now you might be wondering what is my plan of like preparation and all. So first of all, I need full diamond armor, and I thought weapons as well, but I have a diamond sword that I will enchant. So before we try to get diamond armor and all, I need to get my enchanting table setup thing to its max capacity, because I have a lot of level to enchant things, but I do not think I have the enough bookshelves so that I can get the max level enchantment. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my librarian's house, which is now a cleric. Yeah, as you can see, and he had some books up here, if I'm not mistaken. I reckon we should take those, as he's not a librarian anymore. So this is good, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make some of my own books as well. Yeah, and also I'm going to make a AFK fish farm, and off camera guys I also installed a data pack. That is nothing game changing data pack, it just brings back the old fishing pool. So you know, fish pool has been changed in 1.16. It just bring back the old one. So if I do slash wait what slash data, okay, I think I need to be in I think I need to have the ops slash data pack. Yes guys, list. So yeah, as you can see, fishing loot. So this is the thing which we need to, that is the data pack which I installed. So yeah, and I just logged out and logged in again because I didn't want it to have the cheats option, because I want to play it whole legitly. So yeah, now let's farm up this potato. So guys, the potato is cooking. Now what my plan is to get a full diamond armor so that we can defeat the ender dragon better. But you might be wondering how am I going to get it in such a short period of time? We do not have enough diamonds. Nice question. I'm going to trade it with villagers. Let me show you. Oh, I need blast furnace for that, and I totally forgot how to make a blast furnace. Where should I place it? Here. Oh, okay. No. I don't think I'm going to use this. Sorry, guys. I forgot. I'm going to take this and make a villager a armorer. So, where is that? Okay, so this villager is doing nothing. Let me make this dude. So hopefully he takes the profession. Yes guys, see, he took the armorer as his profession and now he will trade coal with us. So that is nice. But guys, I'm not going to trade with him on camera. I'm going to do that off camera. The reason being because I need to also complete my AFK fish farm in today's video. So yeah, let me do that very quickly and it will be great guys. But first let me sleep and then I will trade only 15 coal with him so that he locks his trades. So guys, that is done and now what I'm going to do is before we make our AFK fish farm guys, there's something more important than that as well, and that is to make our enchanting table of max level. So guys, as you can see, I know this is not the max level enchantment, but now the enchantments are a lot better. As you can see, efficiency 2, now we are getting like a lot better enchantments, so that is good to know. Now we can move to our final thing which we need to do, and that is making a AFK fish farm. So yeah, that would be really cool. But I first need a lot of building blocks on me, and I do not think I have a lot, and got them. So let me get all the materials we need. So we will need this, um, 2 chests. Actually, more than 2. We will put more than 2, but for now, 2 will do. And now a trapdoor and 1 pressure plate. How do we make iron pressure plate? Yep, that's how we make it. Now we need fences. I think we might have something here. Yeah, we have sticks here, so we can get fence. Okay, I need more wood. I'll be right back guys. So guys, we are back with more wood. I'm going to take these wood and now I'm going to make the fence, only one. And I might have the water bucket somewhere here, or I died with it, I think. I don't remember, but I'm going to make one bucket anyway because I don't want to waste my time finding it. And where is the water? Yeah, here it is. And the last material which we need is a note box block. I mean, yeah. So that is the most important thing now. Hopefully I know how to make a note block. Let me first search it. Note block. Yes, let's go. I can make it. Finally. So this will go there, and we have a note block. So yeah, that is good. First I will make my build somewhere here, but then after some time I'm going to cover it so that no mobs can get to me, and I'll be AFK a lot over there. So that is the reason why I do not want any mobs to come to me. And no, this doesn't looks like a nice place to me. Okay guys, so now we are done with that. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to dig this and this as well. Now I'm going to place this chest here, place a hopper going into that, and now get my this all. Now I'm going to place this there, kind of waterlog it, and now I'm going to place a note block here. Now I'm going to place my pressure plate here, put a temporary block here. Remember to crouch and then place this here and break this. So now if I run into this, yep, it works. So now let me first show a quick demonstration of how it works, and then I'm going to end this episode right here. I know this was a quite weird episode, but now I will be AFK here a lot, and I will also cover it off camera because I do not want to show the covering process because it's too boring to see. And we've got this. So guys, now see how it works. You need to aim somewhere like here and hold your right click and just 1 minute guys. Hold your right click. Now press F3 plus T, and now if I release my right click, it will be automatically clicking this for me, and once I catch some fish, it's going to close the trapdoor and collect it into my chest. So guys, as you saw, my hands are completely off the keyboard and I've been AFK here for literally 15 seconds or something. Let's see what did we catch in just 15 seconds. Just a lily pad. That's okay because we'll get a lot of enchanted things and all. So I'm going to cover this up now, and this was really it for this episode, and I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Till then, take care. I'm out. Peace.